Hello students, how are you? Today I will explain you the chapter 1 standard 8 chemistry, coal and petroleum and introduction. Okay, so there are different materials that are found in our earth. So materials broadly divided into two class, natural materials and man-made materials. Okay, so what are natural materials? The materials which are originally found in nature, which are used by us. For example, air, water, soil. All these three we use for our needs: air for oxygen, water for our daily use, soil for agriculture, okay, and other also. So these materials are originally found in nature from the beginning of the nature. Okay, so this type of materials are known as natural materials. Whereas man-made materials are those which are made by human beings for their needs. For example, we have made different types of machines, different types of vehicles for our needs. So these machines, these vehicles are known as man-made materials. Okay. Now, natural materials is again subdivided into two groups: inexhaustible natural resources or materials and exhaustible natural resources or materials. Okay, so what are inexhaustible natural resources? These are those materials which are present in unlimited quantity in nature. Unlimited means they cannot be exhausted by human activities. That means they cannot be finished by human uses. For example, air, sunlight, these are unlimited. They cannot be finished by using. Okay, this type of unlimited materials are known as inexhaustible natural resources. Whereas exhaustible natural resources are those resources, natural resources, which are present in limited quantity in nature. That means if we use them in unlimited manner, they can be exhausted by human activities. For example, forest, minerals, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Okay, all these materials are natural, but they are exhaustible. That means they are limited. Now, these exhaustible natural resources again divided into renewable and non-renewable. Okay, renewable exhaustible natural resources. They are those exhaustible natural resources which can be renewed on human time scale. That means they can be reproduced in a limited time in our lifetime by natural processes. For example, fresh water, soil, etc. These are natural resources. They can be renewed after finishing. Okay. How? 2.5% of total water that is present in our earth is fresh water. And that fresh water can be renewed by rain. Okay. In finite time, in a fixed time, limited time. So this water, that means fresh water, is renewable resources. Okay. So now come to non-renewable. Non-renewable resources are those resources which cannot be renewed at a fixed time, at a human time scale. Human time scale means in a fixed time, in our lifetime. They cannot be renewed. They take millions of years to be renewed. That means they take unlimited time to be renewed. For example, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. These resources are natural. They cannot be renewed in a fixed time because they take unlimited time, millions of years, infinite time to be renewed. Okay. Now, there is a question here. which among the following is an exhaustible renewable natural resources? Okay, there are four options: A. Petrol, B. Coal, C. Natural gas, and D. Forest. Okay, so you have to point out that one which is an exhaustible renewable natural resources. Okay, so we can see here petrol, coal, natural gas, forest. These are all natural resources. These are exhaustible or non-exhaustible. We can see here exhaustible, non-renewable are here petrol, coal, natural gas, because these are exhaustible, and non-renewable because they cannot be reproduced in a finite time. Only one is there, forest. Forest is renewable. Forest can be renewed naturally. Okay, so forest is the answer. D, forest is the answer. Renewable, exhaustible natural resource. But here is a note: forest renewed naturally, but cutting excessive trees for our use make an unbalance in nature. So we should make the renewable process easier by planting plenty of trees. Okay, so remember this note. Okay, now this video is finished. In the next video, we will start the main chapter, coal and petroleum. Okay, bye.